Hey guys, what's up and welcome. For today's video, we will be unboxing this induction cooker from Technogas. So we ordered this from Technogas. So technically, okay, so just a bit background from Technogas. So Technogas is the famous cooking appliance brand from Romagna, Italy, with over 60 years of experience in cooking appliances business. Let's go. Let's unbox this. So this one is nabili namin sa Shopee noong 7/7 namin siya in order. Because naglalakihan ng discount during that time. So, ayun. I'll put the link down below so you can order one if you want to. We decided na gumamit ng induction because the one we're using right now, yung sa Ariston, is very matagal magluto. Okay, so this one, we only got it for $17,995. Good thing is, sa Shopee na lang kami bumili because the one that I saw sa All Home is kinda much more expensive siya, around 19 plus, almost 20. So, good deal. Okay, then, okay, so when you open it, it comes with, of course, a manual. Then comes with this one as well. I don't know what it says. Also comes with this one. So this is the product. Good thing is plug and play lang. But yung nandito sa amin is not plug and play. So kailangan pa namin magpagawa ng saksakan. So, ito na siya. Wala namang basag. Very sleek ang kanyang design. And, yes. Okay, I'm very excited to use this na because mas mapapadali ang aking cooking show, char. Okay, so I'll update you guys once na ginagamit ko na siya for like every day kasi we still need to have the plug installed and all. So, ayan. And bibili pa ako ng mga induction na cookware. So, yes, that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye!